because Peddem Junction आमी speed breaker realign केल्ले and they put them according to NH guidelines. आणि थिंगा आता गाडी इतले fast वयतात, so I don't want until this flyover comes. We can't afford to wait. Accident जातले म्हणून. So the NH people only had suggested that we need to install these traffic lights immediately. Then a proposal आयल्लो. Proposal was approved, but the municipality had said that they would do the work. काय झालं ना? And I can't wait that municipality will tender and I don't want. So NH has agreed that they will put up. So I have put that proposal to CM to expedite so that we can have the traffic there. Second thing I have also come, the second issue which I came was because आमचे public lighting asa. You know, this GSIDC has done on the bridges, Karona, Kalvi, Korzue, Aldana, these bridges and many other bridges in Goa. They are under GSIDC. So the lighting also is done by GSIDC. Now every time we phone केले light ना झाल्या किती power failure झाले तेजे. So we phone the electricity department. मागी ते म्हणतात it's not handed over to us. It is with GSIDC. So I met CM with this on it because under the Goa Public Lighting Duty Act under Section 7, within 1 month of the enforcement of that act, all the public lighting has to be handed over to the electricity department. So I pointed out in my letter that this act was enforced on 15th April or 5th April 2002. Ek or cross dale, mais dala. Until today, they are still debating on giving it to electricity department or not to give. And I know there are 9 bridges which GSIDC has control of, and there is a proposal to conduct a survey. And they are requiring that the lighting should be given in working condition. So I am Dakwela CMA that under the law, all the public installations, electrical installations have to be handed over. But in the rule 3, Sukon, Daila in working condition. So rule cannot be contrary to the act. So CM agreed with me and he said, no, we will expedite this, we will immediately get this transferred.